In our last video, we discussed the problem of primality test and we had three different solutions to it. Now, which solution is more efficient? Well, there's a simple way to check and execute each one of it at different times and compare the execution time they take. But there are many problems in our way when you do so. First, machine matters because execution time will vary if you do it on a slow computer or a fast computer. Second, programming language execution time varies with programming languages as well. For example, a code written in C++ will get executed faster than Java and Python because C and C++ are compiled languages whereas Java and Python are interpreted. Compiled languages basically mean which is familiar or native to the computer you are using, whereas interpreted uses line by line interpretation of your code and makes the system understand the code. The third problem we might encounter is system load. For example, running one inefficient solution while your PC is all clear, but running an efficient solution while your PC is upgrading might affect the execution time as well. So to get rid of all these problems, we have a solution to our problem, all three of them, is asymptotic analysis.